Okay guys, in this video we're going to talk about how to open a Fidelity brokerage account. So Fidelity is my favorite, probably overall full service brokerage. I use it for trading individual stocks, and I also have my retirement account, my SEP IRA with Fidelity, and also I have a UTMA for my son. So the reason why I like Fidelity so much is that they offer a lot of cool benefits like free trades. They have awesome index funds and things like that. So I just want to quickly go over some of the reasons why I personally like having a Fidelity account. Okay, so as you can see here, I use Fidelity primarily for buying stocks and index funds. So it's really easy. They have free, zero commission online trades for US stock trades. You can trade many different stocks as well as common stock, ADRs, REITs, things like that, many index funds. So you're open to a lot of different options. So you're open to companies that trade on like biggest stock exchange like the NASDAQ and New York Stock Exchange, but you also can buy over the counter stocks. So that's one of the benefits of having a Fidelity account over an app like Robinhood, whereas Robinhood you can't buy OTC stocks. So let's just go over some of the more benefits. Like I said, you can do dollar-based investing with fractional shares using their app. So that means that you can buy maybe $5 or $10 worth of any stock. You can trade at any time, and they also have 24/7 customer support. So that's a kind of why a lot of the reasons I like Fidelity. They also have different currencies that you can exchange things in, and whenever a new stock IPOs, you can buy it. So, like I mentioned, 24/7 phone customer service with a 1-800 toll number. So, just a lot of great reasons to open a Fidelity brokerage account. I think it's the best, like overall account. It gives you the most flexibility when it comes to buying stocks, index funds, setting up different accounts for your retirement and stuff like that. So it's really easy to set up accounts. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to walk you guys through the process. Okay, so how to get started, we just head over to the home page. So you guys can simply type in fidelity.com. That's Fidelity.com, or you can simply type it into Google, and you want to click up here at the top of the page, and you want to simply hit open account. So what that's going to do is that's going to take us to the account opening page, and they're going to ask us a series of questions. So for this video, we're going to be doing the Fidelity brokerage account, and I'm going to make some future videos on how to open up your IRAs and things like that. But for now, I'm going to focus on the brokerage account. So this account is called basically the Fidelity account. So I'm going to just quickly show you guys exactly what you're getting with this account. So this is probably the best account if you're looking to just buy stocks and things like that, invest in ETFs, you want the most flexibility. So what are the benefits of having the Fidelity brokerage account? Well, you can, like I mentioned earlier, you can buy lots of different investments. You don't free trades for US stocks, ETFs, and options. You can trade fractional shares in the app, and they have a lot of other cool features. So you can also buy bonds, you can trade mutual funds. Okay, so you can trade extended hours trading before and after market. So what that means is that pre-market trading is from 7 a.m. up until the market opens at around 9:30. And then after hours is from 4 o'clock Eastern Standard Time until 8 o'clock. So a lot of different flexibility there, and you got lots and cool features and things like that. And one of the good things about the Fidelity brokerage account, it's highly rated, 4.4 stars. And as you can see here, lots of positive reviews. And me myself, I've been with Fidelity for, I believe it's about 14 years, 14 to 15 years. So I really like their services, and I like them more than Vanguard as well. I too used to have a Vanguard IRA, and I basically just transferred everything over to Fidelity. So they have all the tools you guys can use, advanced tools. You can download their Fidelity Active Trader Pro if you need like more advanced charting and stuff like that. And one of the best things is, of course, free stock trades, no annual account fees, and no minimums. So guys, it's just an awesome overall brokerage. So I'm going to show you guys how to get started. So what you want to do is after you hit open account, you can come to this page. You just click here, open a brokerage account. So then we just wait for this to load. So all you have to do is go through the steps. So individual, then it's going to ask you, are you already a Fidelity customer? So assuming you don't have an account, just hit no. Okay, so you fill out your information, and then you fill in your name and your email address and stuff like that. So for just test purposes, let's just put in use John Doe. So we're signing up. I can show you guys how easy it is to get started. John Doe 1, 2, 3. So we hit get started. Okay, yeah, so I tried to like sign up for a dummy account just to move you guys through the process. But so I'm just gonna walk you through exactly what you have to do. So you just fill out this part. So you fill in your name, your first name, your last name, your social security number, your date of birth. Now, U.S. citizen or not. If you are a U.S. citizen, then you're okay. If you're not a U.S. citizen, you can still open a Fidelity account. So all you have to do is click this box, select your country of citizenship and the country which you pay taxes in. Then keep filling this out, your phone number, your email address, your legal residence, and this is optional. Then you click next. Then on the next step, they'll ask you more information about your account. You simply, answer the questions, and then you want to confirm your account. Once your account is confirmed, they'll ask you to fund it. So you can fund your account different ways. You can do, if you live in the United States, you can do things like direct deposit from your checking account, or you can wire them funds or send a check. So guys, it's pretty straightforward to sign up for an account. I think Fidelity is the best overall full service brokerage account. So I know a lot of you guys like Robinhood, and I use Robinhood as well, and other trading apps like Webull, and these apps are really nice for basically just doing simple things like just buying and selling stocks trade on the NASDAQ and New York Stock Exchange and stuff like that. But if you want more, you want more control and you want more options when it comes for trading, you want 24/7 phone customer service, you want to be able to trade OTC stocks, right? You want to be able to trade, index funds and stuff like that. You want to be able to invest in bonds and mutual funds, and you want just a lot more options. Fidelity is the best one. I've been using them, as I mentioned, for about 14 to 15 years now, and I highly recommend them. And you guys can sign up. Just check out the link in the description. It's not an affiliate link. I don't receive anything if you sign up. I'm just recommending Fidelity to you because I think a lot of you guys are interested in potentially a full service brokerage account with just more overall options. So for me personally, I like Fidelity. I also use them in conjunction with Robinhood and Webull. I like the simplicity of Robinhood and Webull, but I also like Fidelity when I'm dealing with my retirement accounts and just general trading. So that's it for now, guys. I hope this hope this video was helpful, showing you how to open a Fidelity brokerage account. So if you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more future videos on Fidelity. I'm going to be showing you guys how to open up other accounts like IRA accounts, how to do things on the Fidelity app. I'm going to be making a lot more videos about Fidelity because I think they're a really nice brokerage and help you guys. You guys are just beginners on the platform. So that's it for now, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video and take care.